Morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Find X9 Pro, and let me show you how to remove Google account from this device. So first of all, enroll the settings, then find and select Google, and here is your account. So let me go back, mark users and accounts, choose Google and mark remove account. Select remove account, tap on OK to confirm, and enter your fingerprint or pattern, whatever you use, whatever you prefer, just to confirm. And as you can see, it is no longer connected with your device. Obviously, whenever you want to add it, let me just show you that it's no longer here. Whenever you want to add it, you can either sign in from this panel or from users and accounts. Just go to add account, pick Google, and provide all the details. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.